The C-130 has got the in-flight drogues out, the hoses out. We don't have the booms on this aircraft, so you're going to have those out. So simulating an almost close-up lock-up to take fuel. And you'll see how those hoses wave around in low-level turbulence and movements. See, imagine yourself trying to couple up to that in the middle of a dark night. I've done a bit of night refueling, it was quite interesting. But that, as they say, is another story. I shouldn't have been there in the first place, and it was somewhere over the desert. Rear ramp is down at the C-130, so turning in from our right to run past. Obscured by the camera tower from the commentary position at the moment, but run the balloon shed, I'm guessing. Okay, so cameras from the ready. Single flybys. This is the KC-135, this is a tanker. This is Lockheed Martin, the F-35 Lightning. Lightning II, multi-role fighter designed to fulfill the requirements of both the United States Air Force and the United States Navy. Advanced variant, standard conventional takeoff and landing, and advanced VSTOL or short takeoff and vertical landings. Very close into the hose for flight refueling. You can see the flight refueling probe on the snout of Lightning. Smoke coming off, or is it just humidity off the wingtips? It's just the humidity. I think, unless it's got smoke wipers on. No, it must be just humidity. That's a good shot. Yeah, we like that. Anticipating them departing back to Fairfield. Well, we've been filming them, but at the back of the Hercules, the film crew filming the Lightning II, and of course us, which are nearly all waved as we went past. Moment of glory. So the drogues hoses now being pulled back into the hurt. Those with the long lenses will be able to see that. So, back to the programme here. A couple of minutes until we start the based aircraft at Farnborough. That of the
Ganz alles.